My name is Brooke and I'm a clean freak. I recently got the new Eureka 400 2-in-1. It's a vacuum mop that both vacuums and mops at the same time. I have a toddler who makes so many messes daily, so this has been a game changer for me because I can do two things at once. I also love that it's cordless. You get 30 minutes of battery life on one single charge, but my favorite part is the self-cleaning mode. It automatically flushes out the dirty water and the brush roller for fast and mess-free maintenance. AKA, I don't have to clean the machine after I've already cleaned. It doesn't leave any watermarks, it dries quickly, and it's safe on all wood floor types. The amount of time and energy it saves me is worth every penny. As always, link in bio.